Hello everyone! In today's section, we explore an interesting question on polynomial. Here is the problem. Let P be a polynomial such that Px equals P0 plus P1 times x plus P2 times x squared, and P-1 equals 1. We are asked to find the value of P3. Before we uncover the solution, I encourage you to hit the pause button, grab your pen and paper, and give it your best shot. When you're ready, feel free to share answers in the comments. Then we explore the solution together. Let's get started. To uncover the values of P0, P1, and P2, we look at the given P-1 equals 1. When we substitute x with -1 in our polynomial, we obtain 1 equals P0 minus P1 plus P2. Now let's consider x equals 1. This means that P1 equals P0 plus P1 plus P2. Write these two equations as equation 1 and equation 2. Consider equation 1 minus equation 2, we get P1 equals -1. Next, substitute x with 2 in our polynomial. We obtain P2 equals P0 plus 2P1 plus 4P2. With previous obtained result P1 equals -1, imply that P0 plus 3P2 equals 2. Let's call this equation as equation 3. Now, recall equation 1 with P1 equals -1, we obtain P0 plus P2 equals 0. Mark this equation as equation 4. Consider equation 3 minus equation 4, we obtain P2 equals 1. This means that P0 equals -1. With this information, we construct our polynomial Px. X squared minus x minus 1. Inserting 3 in this newly formed polynomial gives us 9 minus 3 minus 1, which equals 5. And this is the answer of the problem. That concludes today's lesson. I hope you found this video insightful and are excited for more mathematical challenges. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.